To free up space on the POCO X8 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate into About Phone information, and after that we can go down until we find the options for storage. Now, after selecting that, you'll be able to see the statistics for all of those categories right here and how much space each option takes. So for example, we have the apps and data, which takes 497 megabytes on my phone, and that means I can go looking for different apps and removing them if I don't need them. So that is the basic way for cleaning your phone, and let me show you the options that make it more accessible. So here, if you scroll down, there's the option for deep clean. After selecting it, you will see options like uninstall apps, which I've mentioned before. That way you'll be able to check all of the apps and remove them if you like. Then we can go for clear app data, and now you'll be able to clear app data. That means everything that app saved for your phone. It should clear a lot of space on your device, and you can also delete photos right here, which will try to capture accidental photos, duplicate photos, and etc. You can select those and then remove them as well. That way you'll be able to free up space on your device. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.